For this lesson, we are going to identify components of the parachute for the C-Astral Bramor PPX. Moving on to the first image is the unfolded parachute. Towards the top is the deployment bag, and this is where the entire parachute gets folded into. Next are the gores. Although they are distorted in this image, there are 8 of them which need to be folded properly. Looking back at the unfolded parachute, there is also a center line. As the name implies, this is a line that can be found within the center of the gores. Depicted as green spaghetti-like strands are the 8 suspension lines. Next is the brake. This component helps keep the suspension lines separated from each other during deployment. Therefore, it is vital that this does not get tangled during the parachute folding process. And lastly, we have the main parachute cord, which is the direct tie-off point between the Bramor's airframe and the rest of the parachute system. To summarize the components we discussed, and to give you information about other components of the parachute system, please keep this infographic for your reference. By viewing this lesson, you should be able to identify the main components of the Bramor's parachute. For questions about today's content, feel free to refer to my online portfolio and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.